In this session, we are going to talk about the relational operator. So this is also called as a comparison operator. So this is called a relational operator. So when you compare between two variables with relational type of operator, so then it will give you the boolean output. Either this is true or false. So for example, there are six type of relational operator are there. That is, the operators are greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, double equal to, and also not equal to. So there are six type of relational operator are there. So I will talk about one by one. Okay. So let's talk about the greater than operator. So let's say I have a variable x that is contain the value that is 5 and y value is 3. Okay. So I will give a print x greater than y. It will check my if x is greater than y. If x is greater than y, then it will give me the output as a boolean type of operator. So the output should be a boolean output. Always give you the boolean output. So if I'll print, it will say me that yes, x is greater than y, and it will print the true. Output will be the true. Okay, it always give me the boolean output that is either true or false. Okay, same as like that. If I say print x is less than y, you will check that if x is less than y, that is means 5 is less than y. Obviously, is 5 is not less than y, so it will give me the output that is false. Okay, and if I will check about, let's say, uh, print that is x less than equal to, that is y. So it what will give it output if, because x is not less than equal to y and also x is not equal to y, so it will give me the output that is also a false. Okay, so what if I'll do, let's say I will give me another output which is print, let's say x less than equal to 5. If less than equal to means if either the condition is equal to or less than, so that doesn't matter. So either it should be less than or equal to. So it is equal to 5, so it will give me the output as a true. Okay, so if I say greater than equal to, so that will also give me the true, because that is not greater than but that is equal to the 5. Okay, so x is my 5 and that is not greater than but that is equal to 5, so that will give me the output as a true. And always the value should be always give me the boolean output. Okay, and if I will check int x double equal to 5, double equal to means whenever you are doing the relational type of operators, you always give you the double double equal to, that is means the comparison. When you give the comparisons, then always you have to give the double equal to. Okay, if you check about the double equal to 5, then what it will give the output, it always giving the true, because that is x is my 5 and that is equal to the 5. If I'll say x is my y, then it will give me the false, because y is my 3, because 5 is not equal to the 3. Okay, and just type like that. I can also do not equal. Not equal to is the vice versa of double equal to. So this is the opposite of equal to sign. Okay, so let's say x not equal to y. So in this case, it is 5 not equal to y means that is 3. So 5 not equal to 3. So in this case, that is true, because 5 not equal to 3. Equal to on this, it will give me the true value. Okay, so as like that, if I say print x not equal to 5, so x is my 5 and not equal to, and that is 5. In this case, it will give me the false because x is equal to 5, not equal to 5. Okay, it will give me the output as a false. Let's say I can give you an example. Let's say print x equal to 510. X is my what? X is my 5. I'm comparing that x 5 equal 5.0. If you run this, it will give me the that is true because 5 equal 5.0. If I say 5.1, what will give me the output? It will give me the false because 5 is not equal to 5.1. Okay, so these all are the example of relational operator. Okay, so next we are going to talk about the assignment operator.